Hey everyone, welcome in InfoComm 2026. I'm David, I'm here with Simpleway, and I would like to tell you more about our distributed paging concept that we are working on. And to give you a better idea of the whole setup, I will be comparing it to the centralized PA system that is usually deployed. So with the centralized PA system, you usually have a central unit, a core or something like that, that is basically processing all the audio streams, and every stream has to go through the core and then back to the zones where you want to page to. So it creates a bottleneck, and it's basically your single point of failure, because if the core goes down, you cannot do any pages. With the distributed paging, we are basically getting rid of this bottleneck, and every stream travels from the mic to AMP only. So if you for some reason lose just the AMP for the zones that the AMP node is serving, you are losing just those zones and not the whole system, so you can still make pages in other parts of your setup. Regarding DSP capacity, with the centralized system, you are again limited by the central unit, because if you want to expand your system, the core might not be able to process all the new devices that you add and all the new streams. So you are basically limited by that. With the distributed, every device that you add is adding more DSP power, and also every device itself has a DSP processing unit. So you are basically scaling much easier without having any bottlenecks. The other benefit is the queue resilience, because with the centralized, you have again one central unit that has to make all the decision making: who is going to page, where is he going to page, which zones are occupied and which are not. With the distributed, each device runs its own queue, so you are getting much higher reliability, and you don't really have to worry about one unit not being able to process all the requests that the paging system or the users of the paging systems are sending at it. So if you would like to know more, visit us at nnounce.com, and we will be happy to show you a demo or give you more details.